Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a fun, easy, and inexpensive fall floral arrangement. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. This is a very simple flower arrangement to make, and you can make it for any season or holiday. I picked up my vase or flower pot or whatever kind of container you would like to use. I picked mine up at Michael's last week when I did my Michael's Fall Shop With Me video. I picked up a bag of moss, floral moss at Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some foam to put in your container. And I picked up my fall floral picks all at Walmart. This is a pretty big bunch of flowers. I don't remember the exact price, but it wasn't very expensive. And like I said, it's a big bunch of flowers. So if you're using a vase the size of mine, you'll only need one of these from Walmart. It has pretty pumpkins in it. And then I also picked up 3 of these mainstay brands. These 3 picks were only 97 cents each at Walmart. So such a great deal. So 4 floral picks total for this flower arrangement. Right now, my Dollar Tree has fall flowers out, so if you don't want to pick yours up at Walmart, you might check Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's for pretty fall flowers. Also, another place that I like to buy vases is Dollar General. They're usually very reasonably priced, so I just cut my foam to fit my little container, hot glued it to the bottom of the container. Now I'm taking my big floral pick from Walmart and just cutting it into smaller pieces, leaving the stems pretty long though. This is a beautiful pick, so if you want to buy a couple of these picks and just put them in a taller vase, that would be a beautiful floral arrangement too. First, you're going to want to start in the center of your arrangement with the taller picks. I'm using the pieces that kind of resembled dandelions, putting them in the center, and also the pieces that kind of had the longer leaves. So I'm starting in the middle, placing my taller picks that have the fuzzy tops in the center of the foam. Even if you do not have the same pick, just put your taller pieces in the center of your arrangement, and then you're going to take your flowers, and we're going to take one flower and place it in the front center, push it into the foam. Now I'm going to take another flower and go to the very back center and place my flower. I'm going to take another flower and I'm going on the left side. And then I'm going to take another flower and place it on the right side. So I kind of do a pattern. I have the taller things in the center, and then I have whatever I do on the front, I usually do on the back. What I do on the left, I usually do on the right. And here I just took some pumpkin picks and I cut them a little bit shorter to fill in at the bottom front. Now this arrangement is basically going to be facing one direction, so I'm not worried about the back hardly as much as the front. Now I'm using the 97-cent Walmart picks. I'm placing one in the back center, and I want this one to be just a little bit taller than the other 2. So that's the back of the arrangement. Then I'm going to take my second one, and like I said, these are only 97 cents, and I'm going on the back of the arrangement on the left side. Then I'm going to take my third one, go to the back of the arrangement, and place it on the right side. So my 3 mainstays picks that were only 97 cents are on the back side of my flower arrangement. Next, just kind of fluff your flowers, and now you have a beautiful fall arrangement. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this fall floral arrangement. It was so easy to make, so if you make one, I would love to see it.